Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles, where classic motorcycles for sale meet real listings, real prices, and real American roads. Number 1. 1975 Honda CB 200T, Lewis, Delaware, $2,000. This 1975 Honda CB 200T is a lightweight classic that perfectly represents the golden era of small displacement Japanese motorcycles. Finished with its iconic yellow tank and vintage styling, this bike delivers the kind of charm that makes people stop and stare at gas stations. With just over 6,100 miles showing on the odometer, it remains an excellent entry point for new riders or collectors looking for an affordable, rideable classic. The CB200T is known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine, easy handling, and mechanical simplicity. Brand new tires have already been installed, the gauges remain clean, and original details are still intact. While it needs a new battery and shows honest cosmetic aging, this Honda is a solid survivor that runs, rides, and offers real vintage enjoyment at an approachable price point. Number 2. 1985 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, Silver Spring, Maryland, $3,100. This 1985 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 represents the final chapter of the legendary Ironhead era. Rescued after sitting untouched in a shed for over a decade, this bike has been carefully brought back to life and now runs strong once again. The fuel tank was thoroughly cleaned and sealed, and the bike has received fresh paint, new tires, a new drive chain, rear sprocket, and additional mechanical updates. With under 20,000 miles, this Sportster offers classic Harley-Davidson character with raw mechanical feel and unmistakable sound. As the final year Ironhead, it holds special appeal among collectors who appreciate Harley history. This is a bike for riders who want authenticity, mechanical presence, and a genuine connection to American motorcycling heritage. Number 3. 1973 Yamaha RT3 360, Point Pleasant, New Jersey, $5,000. The 1973 Yamaha RT3 360 is a highly desirable two-stroke enduro that blends vintage off-road capability with classic street presence. This example is presented in mint condition and is ready to ride. The engine was rebuilt by a previous owner, and the odometer was reset at that time, now showing just 190 miles since rebuild. Known for its strong torque, lightweight chassis, and unmistakable two-stroke sound, the RT3 has become increasingly collectible in recent years. New tires further enhance its usability, making it suitable for both trail riding and vintage events. This Yamaha is ideal for collectors seeking a clean, properly sorted example of one of Yamaha's most respected early enduro machines. Number 4. 1968 Triumph Bonneville, Fairfield, Connecticut, $8,000. This 1968 Triumph Bonneville is a beautifully restored example of one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built. Restored over a decade ago by a respected specialist in Massachusetts, the bike has been carefully maintained and sparingly ridden since. Annual servicing and light use have preserved its mechanical integrity and classic appearance. While it shows a few minor imperfections consistent with age, it remains an excellent rider with timeless lines, strong performance, and unmistakable British character. The Bonneville's parallel twin engine delivers smooth power and classic sound, making it equally suitable for collectors and riders who appreciate traditional motorcycling. This is a serious vintage machine for serious enthusiasts. Number 5. 1977 Kawasaki KZ Ltd. 1000. Reisterstown, Maryland, $3,000. This 1977 Kawasaki KZ Ltd. 1000 is a rare find, especially with just over 8,000 original miles. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine and smooth highway performance, the KZ1000 platform helped define superbike era dominance in the late 1970s. This bike was running perfectly before being properly prepared for storage, with fuel systems drained and internal components fogged for preservation. It comes with a clean Maryland title and remains remarkably original. For riders seeking big displacement, classic muscle, and reliability at a very reasonable price, this KZ Ltd. 1000 stands out as an exceptional value in today's classic motorcycle market. Number 6. 1988 BMW K75S, Seabright, New Jersey, $4,000. The 1988 BMW K75S is widely regarded as one of BMW's most refined and durable motorcycles ever produced. This example shows exceptionally low mileage at just 6,300 miles and remains largely factory original. Known for its smooth, three-cylinder engine, shaft drive, and legendary longevity, the K75S is capable of covering massive distances with minimal maintenance. Recent updates include a rebuilt rear master cylinder, upgraded rear suspension, fresh Bridgestone tires, and modern LED lighting enhancements. While not a museum piece, it is an honest, well-kept rider that could easily serve as a long-term touring or daily machine. This is classic BMW engineering at its most practical. Number 7. 1971 DKW Enduro 125, Chuckey, Tennessee, $2,900. This 1971 DKW Enduro is a rare German-built two-stroke that offers lightweight simplicity and vintage off-road charm. Featuring a 5-speed transmission, fresh tires, tubes, and chain, the bike runs and shifts properly and is ready for use. DKW's engineering heritage played a major role in European motorcycle history, and surviving examples like this have become increasingly difficult to find. While it does not have a title, it remains an excellent candidate for vintage trail riding, collection, or period-correct display. For enthusiasts of classic two-strokes and lesser-seen European machines, this DKW represents a unique opportunity. Number 8. 1982 Suzuki GS850GL, Manahawkin, New Jersey, $1,800. The 1982 Suzuki GS850GL is known for its reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. This shaft-driven inline-4 offers smooth power delivery and low maintenance, making it a practical classic motorcycle for regular riding. With just over 40,000 miles, most accumulated by a single owner, it remains turnkey and ready to ride. Features like a digital gear indicator and air-adjustable forks reflect Suzuki's early embrace of rider-focused technology, while showing normal or consistent with age. This GS850GL runs strong and includes extras such as crash bars and a climber manual. At this price point, it is one of the most affordable full-size classics currently available. Number 9. 1967 Napper K750 with sidecar, Front Royal, Virginia, $7,000. This restored 1967 Napper K750 with sidecar is a striking piece of motorcycle history rooted in World War II era engineering. Based on the BMW R71 design, this Soviet-built machine features a newly installed K750 flat-twin engine with fewer than 5 miles. The restoration includes custom leather seating, fresh paint, and a fully equipped matching sidecar complete with spare tire and accessories. While it will require minor adjustments, it runs and presents exceptionally well. Ideal for collectors, reenactors, or anyone seeking a truly unique vintage motorcycle experience, this Napper delivers unmatched presence and historical appeal. Number 10. 1981 Yamaha XS 400 Special 2, Waterford Works, New Jersey, $950. This 1981 Yamaha XS 400 Special 2 is an affordable entry into the world of classic motorcycles. The bike runs, rides, and stops as expected, making it a solid platform for either restoration or customization. Recent maintenance includes clean carburetors, a clean fuel tank, new controls, and fresh intake components. While it lacks a title and will need new tires, it remains a practical project bike with strong aftermarket support. For builders, first-time restorers, or budget-minded enthusiasts, this XS 400 offers real potential at a very accessible price. Number 11. 1974 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, Browns Mills, New Jersey, $7,500. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a true piece of American motorcycle history, showing honest mileage and classic character. With 51,000 mph on the clock, this bike is described as running and driving well, with everything functioning as it should. Finished in red, it represents the raw mechanical era that made Harley-Davidson iconic. This is not a show-only bike, but a genuine rider that can be enjoyed as is or lightly refreshed over time. Shovelheads continue to climb in value, especially complete, running examples with clean titles. For riders who want vintage Harley sound, feel, and presence without taking on a full restoration, this one checks all the right boxes. Number 12. 1982 Honda Goldwing, New Brunswick, New Jersey, $5,000. This early 1980s Honda Goldwing offers legendary reliability paired with long-distance comfort. Showing 54,000 miles, this bike is described as being in pristine shape and comes with a clean Maryland title. Known for their smooth flat-four engines and bulletproof drivetrains, Goldwings from this era are increasingly appreciated by collectors and touring riders alike. This example appears well cared for and represents a solid value for anyone looking for a classic touring motorcycle that still performs exceptionally on modern roads. Whether kept original or lightly customized, early Goldwings continue to earn respect for their engineering and ride quality. Number 13. 1961 BMW R60, Wind Gap, Pennsylvania, $7,500. This 1961 BMW R60 is a garage-kept, largely original vintage machine with classic German engineering at its core. Showing just over 30,000 miles before the odometer stopped, this bike was last ridden about 2 years ago and is described as a smooth, quiet rider once minor servicing is completed. Featuring original parts, saddlebags, a center stand, and correct styling, this R60 would make an excellent winter project leading into a rewarding spring ride. Early BMW twins are known for durability, balance, and refined road manners, making them highly desirable among collectors seeking understated, high-quality classics. Number 14. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, $3,250. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ650 represents the golden era of Japanese performance motorcycles. With just over 20,000 miles, this example runs strong once warmed up and performs confidently at highway speeds. Recently rebuilt carburetors with OEM components and a new rear tire add peace of mind for the next owner. Known for their reliability and smooth inline-4 power delivery, KZ650s remain excellent rider-focused classics. This bike offers a balance of vintage styling, real-world usability, and affordability. Number 15. 1975 Triumph Trident Cafe Racer, Willow Grove, Pennsylvania, $6,000. This Cafe Racer inspired Triumph Trident is a visually striking vintage build with real presence. Featuring custom bodywork, polished aluminum components, drop bars, and an aftermarket exhaust, it captures classic cafe style perfectly. The engine was previously rebuilt, with documentation included, though the bike is currently not running and has been displayed as a showpiece. With proper recommissioning, this Trident could become both a standout rider and a strong collector piece. Triple-cylinder Triumphs are increasingly sought after, and well-executed custom builds like this offer character modern bikes can't replicate.